Harmonized system. In chapters 1 to 24, there's fish and fish products plus certain products. In chapter 29, 33, 35, 38, 41, 43, and 50. Dito, sinasabi kung ano, sa next chapter ng the harmonized system, ibig sabihin, yung agreement na to, yung agreement covering agricultural products, nakapaloob sa harmonized system. For example, yung certain products, ito yun. Yung chapter 26, for example, ash and residues containing arsenic, whether or not containing metals, chapter, ito ma'am, nasa chapter 26.
Why are we in chapter 26? Where in fact that is to cover chapter 1 to 24, right?
24 ma'am.
Bakit nagpunta ka sa 26? 26 is not included in that agricultural products. So why mention 26?
Counted.
Ibig sabihin, wala na example.
Sale.
Ma'am, kasi ma'am,
Focus on ano na ang coverage ng agreement on agriculture. It covers only that is under your harmonized system code, no? It covers under chapters 1 to 24.
Malalaman.
No? 1 to 24 lang.
ibig sabihin ma'am, yung mga tong chapters na to, nakapaloob, negotiate siya during nung Uruguay round of multilateral trade negotiation or MTN ng WTO. Tama ba? Number 2, what are the objectives of the...
Mention of chapter 26.
Hindi ma'am, kasi ma'am, akala ko ma'am kasama siya ma'am. Kasi hindi ko mahanap yung 1 to 24. Wala naman nakalagay dito.
Ba't yung nakalagay?
Pag sinabi mong harmonized system, anong SS? Ay, what tariff or what, yes, tariff na kayo.
What is harmonized system?
So, because the tariff one is very fundamental. And supposedly, it will be counted under your tariff for the information to harmonized system.
Yung ano ma'am, the harmonized system, the harmonized commodity description and coding system, or simply harmonized system or HS, is multi-purpose product nomenclature, design, ma'am, nomenclature, designed to serve as an integrated, internationally accepted coding system that will standardize and facilitate international trade. It is developed by the World Customs Organization, WCO, patterned after the Customs Cooperation Council, nomenclature, CCCN, and the Standard International Trade Classification, SITC, revision. Yun ibig sabihin daw nito. Nakapaloob dito ma'am. Chapters. Chapter 1 to 24.
This in chapter 1 to 24 covers the agricultural products.
An?
Can you follow
Kuha?
the
Kuha.
textbook that is volume 1?
Wala mo mahal yun ma'am. Di pa kami nire-record ma'am.
Well,
Pero
meron
record.
lang sa library. So you have in the library, volume 1. No? Actually, may mga drawing sa library, that is volume 1. Pinunod sa kanila. So you can make use of it and check those chapters 1 to 24. So yun sa chapter 1 to 24 ay mga agricultural products, no?
24.
Oh. Okay. So, will you please follow at para malinawan ninyo that who has library card? What one? Sige. Ilan ka ng one? Dahil po, mga kalpan.
Eh, di ibig sabihin, ma'am, yung mga chapter na yun, wala dito, ma'am, sa isang libro.
Kaya nga so that is, SS code means harmonized system. Ay, HS, I mean, XS. Harmonized system. So, that harmonized system has been discussed where? Saan yun di-discuss? That is during the WTO Uruguay round. No? Discuss nila doon, gumawa sila ng agreement that they're going to use this so-called para internationally, ano yan eh, international use, that is SS, the harmonized system. So, and this harmonized system has been taken from where? CNN. Ay, CCN. Harmonized system. That started from the tariff heading. Ngayon, harmonized system na. And that comes from the CCN, the commodity code number.
CCCN, ma'am.
CCN na.
Custom. Magkaiba yun, ma'am.
Yes. Oh, ano ang CCN?
Customs Cooperation Council Nomenclature.
So that is where that SS has been taken from. Kung saan niya pinunta.
Saan?
Sa CCN.
Ang proceed na ako sa number 2, ma'am. Later na explain number 1.
Eh, para lang makita nila kung ano yung what are the products that are covered under chapters 1 to 24. Why less fish and fish products. So, meaning fish and fish products is one chapter. If ialisin nyo daw doon sa ano, kasi hindi daw yung kasama doon sa agreement on agriculture.
Kaya pala.
Yes, hindi kasama yun doon. Plus pa daw, so another chapters to be under the agreement on agriculture are chapters 29, 33, 35, 38, 41, 43, and 50. Yes, this is fine. Actually, in your tally 2, you have to memorize this.
Want to take it or not?
You have to memorize the titles of sections, chapters, and subchapters. So, sinasabi ko na lang sa inyo. Yes. Ito, ito ng customs. This is tariff. And that is customs. Asan yung customs nyo? Ito lang ang customs ninyo. Ito ang customs na gagamitin nyo throughout. From the customs 1 to 10. Plus lang mga CMOs, CAOs. No? Your tariff will be this and that. Primer and this one.
Dalawa po sa tariff, ma'am.
Yes. Gagamitin nyo.
1, 2.
Actually, yung isa, may bagong libro ngayon, may bago nito that is under Executive Order 350. Bago na naman. I wrote that for scope. Where in fact in the tariff, you have so many things to consider. Ang dami. And in tariff is your computations of duties and taxes. And how can you compute the customs duties and taxes if you don't know the law? And the law is not based on that. You have a different law in tariff. No? But it's nice tariff. Tariff is a very good subject. It's very nice. It's very interesting. But however, it's very hard.
Tarif, di ba mong tarifa yung isa lang?
Yes. Tarifa is what? It's rate. Yes. Ayun yung tinuro sa inyo sa Tarif 1. But Tarif 1 is just history. History. Wala pang bearing yun, no? Sa inyong course. But of course, you cannot go to Tarif 2 until such you have passed Tarif 1. No? Ang Tarif 1, Tarif 1 is no longer included in the board exam, no? Questions. Hindi na yung sinasama sa wala so far has lately walang history of Tarif na nakakasama sa board exam. Usually ang nandoon lang that is in relation to and then diba ginagamit nyo yan sa Tarif 1 also.
Yes.
Oo, babo. Yung sa ano ma'am, mga meaning pa lang kami.
Yes. Yan din. Kaya, ang Tarif 1, yun ang mga medyo may kasama lang. That is mga terminologies, konti lang.
Konti lang.
Kaya lang na, mahirap talaga. Especially in Tarif 2, napakahirap because you have really to memorize the different titles of sections, chapters, and subchapters, and the covering products. Yes. Kaya-kaya nyo i-memory yan. Yes. Of course, Tarif 1, Tarif 2 is in relation to international trade also. Okay. Ang chapter 1 ninyo, you have to do is na lang, the titles of section na lang tayo. Okay. Chapter 1. This refers to live animals. Ang fees natin ay hindi daw kasama. Right? Less fish and fish products. Ang fish and fish products natin ay under chapter 3. So meaning, excluded ang chapter 3 doon sa agreement on agriculture. Okay? Fish products. Asan pa dito? Wala na. Okay, so that is only under chapter 3. No? Ang hindi kasama doon sa agreement on agriculture. So from chapter 1 to 24, yun ay mga live animals and animal products is agriculture, right? You have vegetables, vegetable products is also referring to agriculture. You have animal and vegetable fats or fat or vegetable oils is also in relation to agriculture. You have the foodstuffs is also referring to agriculture. And here mineral products that is 25 already, so hanggang 24 lang kayo. Chapter 24. Then again, plus daw chapter 29. So what is chapter 29? Chapter 29 is organic chemicals. chapters is up to chapter 99. Yes.
Seryoso,
So,
ma'am?
ano-ano ang mga products covered by this section 1? And what are the chapters under section 1? There are 20 sections, 21 sections. So, ang 99 chapters nyo are covered under 21 sections. Titles of sections. No? Yan ay may memory ninyo. Hindi naman itong buong libro.
Next sem na po yun.
Yes, that is next sem. Ito ang may memorya din ninyo. Yung coverage, yung cover lang. No, ng coverage lang. Kasi kung ipamememorya sa inyo ang different articles, there are thousands of articles here. Diba? Hindi naman. Kaya ang ipamememorya lang sa inyo is the titles of sections and the chapters. No, actually na. Kasi hindi naman yun ang ipamememorya sa inyo yung mga yung mga titles, the chapters, the covering products under the chapters.
Di naman, lahat ba ma'am na nandyan, ma'am, ma-adopt namin pag nakagraduate?
Yes. Pag nag-graduate kayo? Yes. If you're in the actual practice, yes. Kasi paano kayo makakapag-bigay ng
Formation.
very good service to your clients if you are, kumbaga, mabagal kayo kumilos. No? Because you are not selling anything except your service. Pag sinabi mong serbisyo ang ibebenta mo, of course, you must be